Burnt it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is me, Bushcrafty Cooks, and we just put 2.5 cups of water in this pot here, and it's on. We are making some peanut butter Thai noodles, and I am using this our ARIH, or however it's pronounced, noodles to do so. I did a video a week or so ago, and I figured since I have the extra ones, let's go ahead and try to create something tasty. So that's what we're doing. I've got some generic peanut butter. I've got some of this stuff. It's supposed to be some spicy pepper stuff, and we got the noodles. So as soon as this starts to bubble, we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, at no time at all, we got some bubbles. So let's go ahead and make our mess. Yeah, throw it all over the place. My stuff's clean, so don't whine. The ones that are whining, go to the back of the room so you can't see the good stuff that's going on. We've got our gooey spice stuff, or it's sauce stuff. Here's the sauce and here's the spices. We're going to still use this because it tastes good, and when we mix this up, it's even going to taste better. So we'll let this go and let it do its thing, and soon as the noodles are about done, we will be back to create this magical Thai dish. Hang tight. Okay, they've been cooking for a couple minutes. We're going to go ahead and stir them with this plastic fork. Dun dun dun. Oh no, not a plastic fork. You'll die. Just joking. I've got a metal utensil, so calm down. There you go. I stirred them up safely. Okay, while those noodles are just about done, take your bowl. And I don't have anywhere to do this because I've got like 50-pound bag of onions on my other counter. So we're kind of going at it like this. And we're going to use probably that much peanut butter on this. My fingers are clean, so calm down, people. There you go. Put the peanut butter in the middle of the bowl. Clean your fingers so you get all the gooeys off of it. And barely be able to talk because you got peanut butter in your mouth now. Now, we're going to need a little bit of this broth here. Whew. Oops, we got a noodle too. Put that in there. Maybe a little bit more. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. Now we're going to work this around like so. So we get this softened up. So it'll be more pliable, so to speak. I guess that's the word. Work it around so it heats up a little bit, and we'll create like a little gravy or a little roux or whatever the fancy word is called for this. There we go. And as you can see, it's pretty much meltified. New word. There we go. Now it's at this time you can go ahead and take this fancy spicy concoction stuff, and we are going to be brave, and we are going to put this much in there. Woo-wee! And it's a metal spoon. Look at that. I'm special. Move that over there. Put the lid on this so it doesn't explode on us. Go ahead and give us another mix like this. Get it all worked into that peanut butter mixture. We're not done, guys. Okay, we're going to turn this off because them noodles are done. Let me try to do this. I don't know how, but we're going to do it. Get these noodles, get them into the bowl. I know you can't see much right now, but I will show you. I'm sorry I don't have room in my kitchen right now because I've got so much to do. Okay, we are going to mix this up just a tad. Get the hotness down to the bottom. That way noodles get worked in a little bit. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open our packets of spices and yumminess that come with these noodles. I mean, by itself, these are pretty good noodles. Can you see that? This is the butter soy sauce flavoring, and this stuff is good. Okay, and then we're going to get our spice pack here, and we're going to dump that in there. It all has all the goodies in there too. We want that stuff. Now we just do the mixing thing. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up, baby. And there we go. Ouch. Try not to splash yourself in the face with it. Oh, that tastes so good. There you go. Look at that. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see it too and not cook the bowl because it's next to the stove and all. But there you go. There is your peanut butter Thai. Ooh, that bowl's hot now. Peanut butter. Ooh, hot bowl, hot bowl. Your peanut butter Thai noodles. And I am going to ingest these. Oh, these noodles are so good. And I figured, because my second batch of this, I went ahead and tried it. I just tried peanut butter. And look at that long noodle. Whoop! Look at that. Nice and steamy and hot. Just enough to burn my tonsils. Okay, let's give it a try and see what we taste like. Mmm. Woo! Yeah, we got a little kick. We got a little kick from the hot pepper crack. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. Oh yeah, that is really good. Dang. You guys got to try this. Try not putting your bowl on the stove next to a hot burner though. That'd be good. There you have it, guys. There's the peanut butter Thai noodles with a little kick to it. Until next time, like always, happy cooking.